By the end of this video, you will be able to build this topology, configure the router and PCs, and set up a static routing, so these two separate networks can communicate with each other. I will start by adding 4 computers. Zoom it a little bit. Then I will add 2 switches and 2 routers, and connecting all of them, PCs to the switch, and switch to the router, and router to the router. Each router has 2 ports, one port connected to the LAN and another port connected to another router. So we need to give IP address to each port. For gigabit 0/0 and for gigabit 0/1, I will choose another IP. The IP for the gigabit 0/1 for router 1 with the IP for router 2, they need to be in the same network. So another router 2 in the same network as the router 1. Then the gigabit 0/0 need to have an IP address that same network with the LAN that has been connected to the router. Okay. Just add 24/24. The IP address that we have assigned to gigabit 0/0, it's going to be the default gateway for the PCs. So I will set up IP for the PCs, PC 0, and then the default gateway is going to be this IP address. PC1, their default gateway is the same because they are in the same network. And again, the default gateway is going to be 192.168.1.1. So for PC2, 192.168.2.2. The default gateway is going to be this one. And the last PC, and its default gateway, same as PC2, as they are in the same network. Now it's the time to give IP address to router's port. First port is gigabit 0/0. We go to config tab, turn it on, assign the IP address and the subnet mask. The second port, gigabit 0/0, we turn it on first, 10.0.0.0.1, then 255.255.255.0. Finish. We go to the second router, the IP address for gigabit 0/0, turn it on, and 192.168.2.1, and the subnet mask. We go to the next port, is connected to another router, and the IP address is 10.0.0.2. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. And turn it on. Don't forget to turn it on, otherwise it's not working. We test the network from PC0 to PC2 to another network, but the ping failed. But the test failed because we need to have a static routing. We need to set up a static routing. We come to the config tab, we go to static. The destination network is 192.168.2.0 because that's the remote network I want to reach. Subnet mask, and for the next hop I enter 10.0.0.2, which is the IP address of the next router. Then I will click add. Now I'll do the same on router 2. The destination network is 192.168.1.0 because that's the remote network I want to reach. I enter the subnet mask, and for the next hop I enter 10.0.0.1, which is the IP address of the next router. Then I will click add. Now we test the network from PC0 to PC2, and it is successful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.